What if I told you that without proteins, your body would literally fall apart? No muscles, no enzymes, not even your DNA could function. Let's break down the powerhouse of life, proteins. Proteins are one of the major classes of nutrients needed by our body. They are macronutrients, meaning they are required in large amounts by the body. Other macronutrients include carbohydrates, lipids, and water. Did you know that proteins make up about 20% of your total body weight? That means if you weigh 70 kg, about 14 kg of that is pure protein. Proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. This is the general structure of amino acids. The structure has the amine group, the carboxyl group, the unique side chain, and the free hydrogen. There are 20 unique amino acids. These include glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, proline, methionine, serine, threonine, cysteine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, asparagine, histidine, glutamine, tryptophan, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, lysine, and arginine. Challenge 1. Pause for a second. Can you name at least 3 amino acids from memory? No peeking. A protein is a long chain of amino acids linked to each other by a peptide bond. Unlike carbohydrates and lipids, proteins have the ability to form a three-dimensional structure. This is why proteins are the most abundant large molecules in our body, as most body structures consist of proteins. Did you know your hair and nails are made of a protein called keratin, the same material that makes up animal hooves and horns? Any protein found in the body has a specific structure, and its structure determines its function. Denaturation is the loss of the structure of a protein. As the structure determines the function, a denatured protein loses its function as well. Conditions that can denature proteins include high temperature, that is temperature above 41 degrees Celsius, extreme pH, and mechanical stretch. Challenge 2. Ever wondered why high fevers are dangerous? That's because at extreme temperatures, proteins in your body start denaturing, losing their shape and function. Think about how an egg white solidifies when cooked. That's denaturation in action. The body needs only a certain amount of amino acids. Deamination is the process of removing the nitrogen-containing part of an amino acid to form urea. This process occurs when there are too many amino acids in the body than the body needs, and it occurs in the liver. Dietary proteins can be obtained from animal foods and some plant foods. Most animal foods, such as eggs, dairy products, and fish, are rich in proteins. Plant foods rich in proteins include beans, soya, and nuts. Did you know quinoa is one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, just like meat? What are the functions of proteins? They are the main nutrients used for the growth and repair of the body tissues. Proteins are also used to form enzymes and hormones, and they act as a source of energy during severe starvation. To recap, proteins are one of the major classes of nutrients needed by the body. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. Proteins have the ability to form a three-dimensional structure. Denaturation is the loss of the protein structure. Conditions such as high temperature, extreme pH, and mechanical stretch can denature a protein. Deamination is the process of removing the nitrogen-containing part of an amino acid, the process occurring when there are too many amino acids in the body. Proteins in the body are used for the growth and repair of body tissues, the formation of enzymes and hormones, and act as a source of energy during severe starvation. Now that you've mastered proteins, it's time to tackle lipids, another key player in nutrition. Stay tuned. Stay curious.